This video demonstrates the essential steps to onboard and upload your first data file in TradeAnalysisPro. It covers broker addition, file import, and data accuracy checks to ensure smooth setup. Hello and welcome to TradeAnalysisPro. Today I'm going to walk you through the first step you have to do as soon as you onboard onto TradeAnalysisPro application. Immediately upon login, you would see this icon Data Management start here. You can click on this. This will bring you to the simplified guided wizard. And as you can see, this feature will need active subscriptions. Without subscription, you will not be able to proceed further. So let me get the subscription and come back to continue the process. I have activated the subscription, so the warning that was given is taken out. I will click on Use Guided Mode here. The first step in this process is to add the broker. I'll click on Add Broker icon here. I want to add Kotak. I'll name it as my Kotak. In the master broker list, you can see all the brokers we support today. I will select Kotak Securities and then click on Add Broker. So Kotak as a broker is added in my account. Since we are in wizard mode, it will walk us through step by step. The first step was to add broker, which we completed. I'll click Continue in the bottom right hand. Then it will take us to the next step, which is to upload the file. I can upload the file in two ways: drag and drop the file or click to select the file. So I'll click on this to navigate to the folder having my data. I'm going to browse to that folder and select this file, then click on Open. Once the file is loaded, Analyze File button gets activated. I'll click on Analyze File, and then we can go to the next step. At any time, if you need instructions on how to download the broker data, you can follow the steps provided here. Alternatively, detailed steps with images are available in the Help menu located at the top right. Simply navigate to the Help section and search for Kotak to access the download option. Please refer to the download instructions there. Now I will click on Analyze File. The system has completed the pre-processing and indicates that there are 23 records, all valid for import, with no major issues found. I will click on Confirm and proceed with the import. The system has successfully processed the file and imported 23 new records. The Continue button is now activated. I will click on Continue, which is the final step. The system is working to automatically identify the strategies from the uploaded file. It will generate those strategies for you and is ready for use. Now I can click on Review and Finish and complete the process, or I can click on View Performance. Either way, it's fine. I'll click on Review and Finish. This completes our first file upload to TradeAnalysisPro. You can continue to add more files by clicking on Upload another file in the top right-hand corner of the simplified wizard. Please remember that when uploading files, they must be in chronological order, starting with the oldest file. The oldest file should be uploaded first, followed by the most recent file. In any brokerage trading system, we adhere to the first in, first out principle. The first data entered is the first transaction that must be processed. Subsequently, later transactions can be added. So please keep this in mind when uploading your data. Now that we have uploaded the file, to ensure the accuracy of our data, there are some important steps we must take. We need to perform a few checks. Let me click on the menu item here, and I will navigate to Trade Management. As soon as I click on Trade Management, I can view all the trades we have imported. And here you can view the total number of imported trades. It displays 1 to 10 of 23. Additionally, we can adjust the number of records we wish to display. Let me set it to 100 so I can see everything here. You can also observe the number of pages. The All Trades feature provides a comprehensive list of all trades. Open positions display any trades that remain open. These will be shown here. Once the trades are fully executed, they will appear in the Closed Positions section, where you can view the trade details, including quantity, gross P&L, net P&L, and any applicable charges. Charges are displayed only for brokers that provide this information. Some brokers do, while others do not. It is essential to verify with your broker whether they report these charges. If they do not, this information will not be available here. However, in this instance, Kotak is providing the charges, so I can see them as well. The first housekeeping activity we need to undertake is once we upload the file. It is crucial to navigate to the Open Positions tab to check for any transactions that require our attention. In this case, 4 transactions have expired, and we need to close them. To close them, we simply click on the Manual Close option. If I click on Manual Close here, let's consider FinNifty for a manual close. When you click on the Manual Close option, a pop-up appears displaying the position. Here, we need to input the underlying asset price at the time of expiry. This information is crucial for determining the intrinsic value, which allows us to apply the closing price and finalize the transaction to calculate the P&L. In this example, I know that on the 6th of August, 2024, 22,900 call expired with no value. Its value is 0. I can input the exact amount 22,840 closing price got from chart for that expiry day, and it will calculate the intrinsic value. Then I can choose to close the position. I can do the same for the next one. Enter 22,840 to close position. Now both positions are closed. I need to follow the same process for each of the open contracts that have expired and require manual closure. Ultimately, we need to ensure that all open positions are addressed. Therefore, our analysis and P&L calculations are accurate. This is an activity you must complete immediately after uploading the file. Hope this was helpful. Thanks, and talk to you soon in the next video. Bye. The video guides through onboarding, broker setup, file upload, and manual closure of expired positions to ensure accurate trade data and P&L calculations in TradeAnalysisPro.